Welcome back, my friends. Now that we know what we're building, we have an idea of what we're building. So let's just get started. So I want to say, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Turn on notification, share this video, and like this video, and also comment on this video. So let's get started, guys. Let's go ahead and install Laravel. I'll take this. I will show you how to install Laravel. It's actually very simple. There are different methods which you can install Laravel. Just go over to Laravel documentation and install Laravel from there. So the easiest method is to use the composer, and that will be the fastest method to use. But I have Laravel installer on my system, so I can just install Laravel from there. So just go over, if you want to use composer, just go over and use composer to create the Laravel project. And if you want to use Laravel installer, which I'm going to use, I'm just going to create a new Laravel application with this. So let's just copy this command and go over to where we actually want to install the project into. I want to install it in my XAMPP folder in the htdocs, and right here I want to go over to lessons and recordings. Yeah, so this is where I want to install the project into. So I'm just going to select this folder and open my terminal. Now I'm going to open the terminal and new terminal, and right here I'm just going to call this searchable. I think is that the correct spelling? Yeah. So let's just enter that and just wait for that to finish running the command, and I'll see you when it's done. Now we just finished installing Laravel. So the next thing is actually to install the searchable. Now you can see. So let's just go over to that directory and just say searchable. Let's enter this and let's just go over and install the searchable right here. So if you go over to the documentation, to install it is actually easy. Let's just copy this and go over and just do this right. Now we just finished installing the Laravel package. The next thing we need to do is to install the UI. So if you go over to Google and just search Laravel 8 UI, just search this and go over to any of the link, and this will actually guide you on how to install the Laravel UI. So I'm just going to copy this and I'm going to open a new tab and just do this right here. So this will install, we need to go over to the directory. So let's just say cd searchable. Yeah, so let's run this command. So this will actually install the UI we need, the view and the rest of it. So let's just wait for that to install. Now we have this searchable to okay. Now we have that, and let's just do this, copy this too. So let's just scaffold the project, and yeah. So let's run this command too. Yeah, so we have this, and let's just go over and run this npm install. So let's do that. So this is going to take a while, so I'm going to pause this video now and I'm going to see you very soon. So we're done installing the UI, we've done installing the npm. You can see it has created this node underscore module folders for us, and we also have this vendor folder. So let's just go ahead and run this command, and I think this might throw an error. We might get an error from this, but I'll show you how to fix the error if you're getting that kind of error. So let's just copy this, and let's just try to run the development. And if this is giving us an error, I'll show you how to fix the error. So this is the error I was talking about. We have this error right here. I don't know, for one reason or the other, this decide to throw an error. What you can just do is try to copy this file, because this file appears to be missing. You can just copy this and go over to Google and just paste this and see how that works out. So you can go ahead, and this will show you where you can download the file. And let's just go over and open this and see if we can find a link to download this file. So this is it. Let's just click this. So I'll leave a link to this file in the description, so you can go ahead, upload that. So we can now go ahead and extract that into uh, the specified folder. So this is in the webpack, uh, limp rules, and that's it. So let's just go over and extract this into uh, that directory. So we're going to go into the XAMPP, and we're going to go into the htdocs. We could try to locate our uh, project directory. So this will be lessons, and this will be recordings, and we have the searchable. Within the searchable, you should check this goes into the webpack limps rules. So let's just do the same thing. Yeah, let's go over to the webpack folder, and let's just see that. So let's just try to expand this and see. So webpack, yeah, this is it. And let's go to the limps, and inside the rules, let's see if we can find the rules. Yeah, this is it, and let's just click OK. Now that should have the file, and if we should come over here and check it, if we should come over here and check it, names, rows, yeah, so we have this file right here. So let's just go ahead and try to run this again and see if we still getting the error. So I think the error is cleared, because this is building right here. It's building right now. Yeah. So this has successfully built, and that's how you can clear the error. So I'll leave a link to the file, so you can just download it directly. So since we have everything we need, let's just go ahead and run this application, and let's just see if we're on track. So this will be PHP artisan serve. Let's just go ahead and run this. Yeah, so we need to go over to the directory. Still, this is searchable, and let's just run this. Now we have this command. Let's go over to localhost 8000, and let's just see this. So you can see we have this, and it has scaffold our auth for us, and we have this navbar, we have the register, so we can actually use this in our application. And in the next video, we're actually going to be editing all this to actually fit what we have in the first video, and actually get started running our view and the rest. So if you notice, if you come over here and check your composer.json, and you check the composer.json, you realize that it has gone ahead and installed Axios, Bootstrap, jQuery, view loader, and the rest, what we actually need to actually get this project started. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.